Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I will take you through how to add texts in Adobe Acrobat PDF files. So sometimes when somebody sends you a PDF document, or it can be your own document on your PC, you would want to add a text or a date on that document. You would have to print the document out, write the date or the text or the name you want on the document, scan the document, and then send it to whoever you want to send it to. But in this video, I will show you how to add those texts on your Adobe Acrobat PDF file without going through that hassle and tussle. Very easily and very simple process. So I will quickly open this Adobe Acrobat PDF file on this PC of mine, and then I will scroll down to the very last page, and then you can see I have two fields, your name and then date signed. So I'm going to add a name, and then I'm going to also add a date on this file. So to do that, you have to click on the fill in form fields icon and then select type text. Once you select that, you will see that when you move the cursor to the text area, the cursor will change to A and B icon. So click wherever you want to add the name, and in my case I will click where your name is, and then you will see that you have a box to type the name or to type whatever you want to type. In this case, I will type the name Joseph Daniels in the box, and then above the box you can see that you have some other options you can use. You can click on the big A to increase the fonts of the text you've typed, or click the small a to reduce the font. Again, I'm going to add a date, so I will click beside the dates signed section and then type the date of today or today's date in that box. So 16 September 2024. You can also increase the fonts or reduce the fonts just as you are looking at in the video right now. So you can also click the delete icon over there to delete it in case you make a mistake, and then redo it by following the video. You can drag around the box by selecting the edge of the box or the edges of the box, clicking and holding it, and then dragging it around to place it where you want to place it in the document. So after you are done editing your the document, you want to save the document by clicking on menu, click save as, and then select the location where you want to put the file. Give the file a name, and then click on the save button to save the document onto your PC. So once that is done, I'll close it and then reopen it to make sure that the changes were indeed successful. So I'll scroll down to the last page, and then you can see that the changes were indeed successful. The name and the date we added are saved there, so you can use this document going forward. Send it to whoever you want to send it to. So yes guys, kindly click on the subscribe button down this video to support us to bring you more of such videos. Turn on notifications for all to be the first to watch my videos every time I upload them. Click the like button if this was helpful. Share the video, and then I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.